you can see that once the Jaffer Express happened, the internationally recognized terrorist organization BLA, his spokesperson, where was he sitting? He was sitting on Indian channels, wearing a mask, coming on multiple Indian channels, and glorification of a terrorist sect, which, by the way, the state of India has not shown any concern or condemned so far. And they are glorifying it, taking its spokesperson over here.
जैसे कि बहुत बड़े पैमाने का एक ऑपरेशन है, सैकड़ों यरगमाली है, फिर उसमें फौजी भी है, बलोच लिबरेशन आर्मी की मजीद ब्रिगेड इसको लीड कर रही है, उसके जो खसूसी दस्ते हैं स्पेशल.
This is again very interesting. This footage that the Indian TV channels showed was made by the terrorists once actually the Jaffer Express ID was blown. So this was only available with terrorists. And who are the first electronic channels who started showing it? It's the Indian channels. See it.
The attack took place at around 1 p.m. when the train passed through the Bolan Pass.
Big news coming in from Pakistan. Baloch army say that more than 100 Pakistani army personnel have been taken hostage. It's a big claim being made by the BLA. 6 soldiers of the Pakistan army have been neutralized.
Artificial intelligence images being created.
The Pakistani train was hit by
old images which are not related to the incident being used to show that terror incident has been. So this is vehement, clear glorification of terrorism being done in Pakistan.